Varai.
Right.
I'm being real. I'm the first celebrity in Zimbabwe to actually drive and own a Maserati. And it's Varai.
What a Maserati?
Ndakatoitengesa. Ola. One thing. Ola.
Hold on.
Yes.
Why take somebody? You're on national radio. You're not allowed to lie.
Definitely.
I'm going to detect every single thing that you're going to say.
Inzwa Ola. This is a business transaction. I can't disclose amount for you. It's a business transaction, and I can't. The moment
Akatenga Maserati igubi
from the UK.
From the UK?
Yes.
Yakaende which border?
Yakaende Namibia.
Ni Namibia.
Yes.
How much was it?
Ndo pati kutaura Ola
the total cost even
when we are talking
duty alone.
Inzwa Ola.
Alright, chipisa ako yakatenga nayo ku UK. Inzwa duty alone. Ola. How much was it? Was it duty ka? We can actually check ku Zimbabwe. How much was the duty?
Inzwa Ola, let me tell you something. This was actually a business transaction.
No, I can actually check on the website Zimbabwe right now. Titaurire kuti wewe yakaita marii.
Ayo, Inzwa Ola.
Duty.
Okay, let me tell you this. I'm saying this is a business transaction, and I'm on national radio. You know what I mean? When I'm doing this transaction, I have partners. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm saying I can't disclose the amount. And definitely this is a radio station, not a court.
Skaya paka kupi?
Pase pa Zimposter. Definitely. And one thing, Ola, let me tell you something. And one thing you guys don't actually understand is I'm a hustler. I sell cars. Everything I ever own, even from the phone. The pandaka pins of iPhone 14 and nakuita 48 hours ndinayo. Yange yatotengwa.
Yange yananga.
Yes. Saka inini I sell cars. I actually have questions ekuti mina nokuzoti munhu isaka ndona ubvandiridza kuti where is your Maserati? It's just like iwewe Ola ukapinda mu supermarket I can say names andika wobva waona iwewe vasina chingwa chebekasi in. You know what I mean? You can't say kuti hamuna chingwa munomu. Changa chirimo but chapera. Simple mathematics. They are now waiting for the next order.